We've been looking at how to create, getting evidence from a text by highlighting and then working into the, from that highlighting and making notes from that. So this has been leading up to being able to write a paragraph. And so the paragraph that we're going to be writing in HASS is called a TEEL paragraph. And a TEEL stands for, the T stands for topic sentence, the two E's stands for explanation and evidence, and the L stands for the linking sentence. So those are the parts that we're needing to write in our paragraph. So let us begin. All right, so our topic sentence, we obviously need to be writing about what our topic is, and our topic is why the new settlement was established at Moreton Bay. So our topic sentence isn't a question, so we need to change our topic or our question into an actual sentence. So why this new settlement was established at Moreton Bay. So we can be saying something along the lines of a new settlement was established at Moreton Bay. All right, so that is telling us, that is the topic sentence there, and that is telling us what this paragraph is going to be about. So a new settlement was established at Moreton Bay. Okay, so we have that there. So let's have a look at the explanation now. So the explanation is taken from our notes that we took last time. So we can see over here that we've got all of these different things here. So we're going to try and put them into another sentence or explanation. So why? A new settlement was established at Moreton Bay. Explanation, why? We can say over here we've got needed more severe system of discipline and a place to send the worst criminals. So that is something that we need to put in there. So an explanation. And if we also add the evidence in here as well. So if we look back at our notes, we can see that John Thomas Bigg said in his report down here in the blue, that they obviously needed a more severe system. So that's all our evidence there. So John Thomas Bigg reported that Sydney needed a more severe system of discipline and a place to send the worst criminals. Okay, so he reported that that's what they needed. John Thomas Bigg reported that Sydney needed a more severe system of discipline and a place to send the worst criminals. Okay. Okay, so then like the evidence of that is that they, therefore, we've got our linking word there, therefore they sent an exploration party led by John Oxley. They sent an exploration party led by John Oxley to explore places far from Sydney. Okay, so we're getting that here. We can say the places they explored were, and this is our evidence, the places they explored were Port Melbourne. The places they explored were Port Bowen, Moreton Bay, and Port Curtis. Okay, so they decided on that. Okay, so that's some of our evidence there. We can say they decided on, so they decided on Moreton Bay. They decided on Moreton Bay. They first decided Redcliffe Point would be the best site because of the location close to the bay. However, They later changed this to Brisbane River due to the good soil for growing crops, and it was also protected from the elements of the sea. Oopsie. All right, so we've got our explanation, our evidence intertwined in this paragraph here. Now, the last thing we need is the linking sentence. So the linking sentence is called a linking sentence because it needs to link up with our topic sentence. So we need to basically sum up what we've had. So the linking sentence is, this is why a new settlement was established at Moreton Bay. So putting all of that together, that is one paragraph in there with our explanation and our evidence. So this is what a good paragraph will look like when we are writing with a TEEL paragraph from our evidence.